नमस्कार, I am Professor P.B. Gole, MEPs, KTHM College Nasik, Department of Commerce, SYBCom, Semester 4, Cost and Work Accounting 2nd, Chapter 2nd, Labor Cost Remuneration and Incentive, Topic, Method of Time Race System. In the previous lecture, we have studied time race system. After this, in this lecture, we will study time rate methods of time rate system. There are several methods of time rate system which can be summarized as follows. First, flat rate system. Rate of wages per day, per week or per month are fixed in advance. The flat rate is usually fixed, keeping in view the rate related in a similar traders in the same locality for the same grade and skill. Formula: hour work into rate per hour. When workers are paid at a flat rate on the basis of time they spend on work, it is known as flat time rate of wages. Rate of wages per day, per week, per month are fixed in advance taking into account the factor relevant in the industry. The flat rate is usually fixed, keeping in view the rate prevailing in similar traders in the same locality for the same grade and skill. Second, high wages rate or high day rate, also called as high wages system. Under this system, high wages rate is fixed, which is higher than the average rate of the industry. This system facilitates recruitment of efficient and skilled workers who can be induced to produce high standard of output. The most relieving features of this system is that no overtime is allowed to worker and awareness is created among the worker to meet their daily product in standards. A high wages rate is suitable when the works can be easily measured and a high tax is set by the time and motion study. Third method, measure day rate. In this method, a standard is set for a worker to perform his output and a level of wages is also fixed in accordance with the level performance based on manual agreement. No additional remuneration is payable even in case of output higher than standard. The worker employed in this method are given specified work and the level of wages is fixed by the employer. 4. Guaranteed time method. The rate of average are linked up with the cost of living index. Under this method, the cost of living index factor is taken into consideration. The rate of wages are linked up with the cost of living index. This system is preferred by employee in a period of inflationary rise in price of consumer goods. Last, differential time rate. In this system, different rates of wages are fixed for different workers in the same group according to the difference in their personal abilities and skill. Under this method, different rate of wages are fixed for different workers in the same group according to their difference in their personal ability and skill. Higher rates are given to efficient workers in recognition of their efficient performance. Thus, workers are paid according to their merits and there is a positive incentive of improvement of performance by the worker. Example, in Asmita Limited, accrued normal time wages and overtime wages are payable to a worker on the basis of the following cost data: day, hour work, Monday 9 hour, Tuesday 11 hour, Wednesday 8 hour, Thursday 12 hour, Friday 10 hour, Saturday half day 4 hour, total 54-hour work. Additional information: first, normal working 8 hours per day. Second, normal time rate ₹20 per hour. Dearness allowance 10% of nominal time wages. Overtime scheme: overtime work up to 10 hours in a day, single rate, and over 10 hours in a day at double rate. Second, overtime work up to 50 hours in a week at single rate and over 50 hours in a week at double rate. Which scheme is more beneficial to worker? Comments. Answer: solution of the problem. In this problem, normal working 8 hours per day, normal time rate 20 per hour, dearness allowance 10% of normal time wages. Overtime scheme: overtime work up to 10 hours in a day at single rate and over 10 hours in a day at double rate. Overtime work up to 50 hours in a week at single rate and over 50 hours in a week at double rate. Day in the books of Asmita Limited accrued statement showing overtime hour. Day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Total hour work given in chart: 9 hour, 11 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour, 10 hour, 4 hour. Normal working hours is fixed: Monday to Friday 8 hour, Saturday 4 hour. Total 44 hour. Total hour worked 54 hour. At single rate 1, because overtime work up to 10 hour in a day, single rate. 11, double rate, because over 10 hour. 8, no single rate. 12, single at single rate 2. 10, at single rate 2. 4 hour, no single rate. At double rate: Monday dash, Tuesday 1, Wednesday nil, Tuesday double rate 2. At single rate 7, at double rate 3. Statement showing total wages daily work basis. Normal time wages formula is equal to earning is equal to hour working into rate of hour. Total hour working given in chart: normal working hour 44 hours into rate 20 is equal to 880 rupees wages. Overtime wages earning is equal to overtime hour wages into overtime rate hour is equal to at single rate plus at double rate. At single rate is 7 hour into overtime rate hour 20 plus 3 hours into double rate 40. 140 plus 120, total wages is 260. Dearness allowance earning is equal to 10% normal time wages. Total wages 880 normal wages. 10% of 880 is equal to 88. Total wages: normal time wages 880, overtime wages 260, dearness allowance 88, total wages 1228. Normal time wages formula: earning is equal to hour working into rate of hour. Hour working is total 50 hours working into 20 is equal to 1000. Overtime wages is equal to overtime hour working into over rate hour 4 hour into 40 is equal to 160. Dearness allowance 10% normal time wages. 10% into 1000 is equal to 100. Total wages, normal time wages 1000, overtime wages 160, dearness allowance 100, total wages 1260. At the total wages payable under scheme, wages on weekly work basis, that is 1260, are more as compared to the total wages payable under scheme. Wages on daily work basis, that is 1228, the scheme B is more benefit to the worker. Thank you.